Hey everybody, welcome to 608 Fab. You can tell I'm doing something a little different than normal. Normally you don't find me laying around, but today I'm laying in a parking lot. Putting a starter in the 6.4 Hemi under the 2020 Ram, our tow pig. And today was just a beautiful Saturday. Went and did a show with my wife on her jewelry business. Went over to the shop, mowed some grass, stopped at a store. Truck didn't want to cranky when I went to leave. So I'm currently laying underneath this thing, putting a starter in a Hemi 6.4. This is honestly probably the easiest starter I've ever had to put in. One clip holds the solenoid wire on, one nut, which we'll call this a tutorial now. That is a 13 millimeter wrench to take the positive battery terminal off, 10 millimeter up top at the battery to take negative post off, and then legitimately, little heat shield covers the starter, two 10 millimeter bolts. And then, what the heck is this thing? I don't have a whole lot of light left. It's getting kind of dark. But that is... is that a 14? That is a 15 millimeter socket to get the two starter bolts off. Drop that thing down, slide a new one in, 20 minutes. So, thankfully, beautiful parking lot here. Normally when you're doing a job like this, you're in a gravel parking lot. It's raining out. I couldn't complain about anything here because this is freshly paved, and it was sunny all day. This blacktop's warm. So there's the old starter. There's the shiny new starter. I gotta put the little heat shield back on it. Then I'm gonna go up, hook the battery up, see if this thing starts. All right, it was that easy. I called my wife I called O'Reilly's at 7. She came, fetched me, jumped in the Jeep, ran over to O'Reilly's, grabbed a starter, ran over to the little shop, grabbed an arsenal of tools, and at 8:04 I am driving again. So pretty cool. You're all wiggling around here, and I apologize for that, but I'm trying to multitask now, driving and everything else. So as always, thanks for watching. But like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Hopefully I'm not laying in a parking lot fixing my own junk.